Attention landlords, building owners, and facility managers. When it comes to fire safety, choosing the right contractor is not just important, it's your responsibility to protect lives and property. In today's video, we will share the essential guidelines you need to know before hiring a fire safety partner. Stay tuned and make the right choice for your building. Here, we are breaking down the categories of authorized fire safety companies and their roles in ensuring your property is protected as per the UAE Fire and Life Safety Code. First up is Category A. Companies in this category are authorized to work on buildings of any height and area. They handle the installation and maintenance of fire alarm and voice evacuation systems, emergency lighting and exit signage systems, fire protection systems. Optionally, they can also manage smoke control systems. With this broad scope of work, Category A companies must have a well-equipped team including 3 electrical engineers, 3 mechanical engineers, 12 technicians for both electrical and mechanical systems. Next, we have Category B companies, authorized to work on buildings up to 46 meters in height and a maximum area of 15,000 square meters. These companies specialized in fire alarm and voice evacuation systems, emergency lighting and exit signage systems, fire protection systems. Optionally, they can include ventilation and smoke control systems. Their team requirements are 2 electrical engineers, 2 mechanical engineers, 8 technicians for each discipline. Finally, Category C companies are authorized to work on smaller buildings with a height limit of 23 meters and an area under 6,500 square meters. They handle fire alarms and voice evacuation, emergency lighting and exit signage, fire protection systems. Optionally, they can include gas suppression systems or smoke control systems. The team requirements are 2 electrical engineers, 2 mechanical engineers, 4 technicians for each discipline. It's critical to ensure the fire safety company you hire meets these guidelines, not just for compliance but to guarantee the safety of lives and property. Always verify their registration under the appropriate category and ensure they are civil defense approved. Thank you for watching. Protecting life and property start with choosing right fire contractor.